Hi, my name is Billy. I'm from Vina. Today we got the brand new out cross case and we're gonna do a drop test. We're gonna drop it from our 4 feet high, 26 times on different corners, edges, and faces. Let's get started. As you can see, the phone screen is working, phone is still functional, cameras is still working, still able to scroll, everything turns out fine after 26 drops at 4 foot high. We got scratches and scuffs on the case, but that is a good thing because that didn't happen on your phone.